pickers, welcome to today's video. I'm going to try and get this Chubb Battleship, a 6-lever padlock. There's the bit in. You can see we can't get this little baby open. This was sent to me from Andy Mac, who got it from Dave Prettejohns from Spain. Ordered it from somewhere like eBay, and the seller wouldn't send it directly to him. So, oh, focus. It's not going to focus now. No. Oh well. Yeah, so the seller wouldn't send it directly to Spain. So he sent it off into the community until it makes its way back to him in Spain, which I think is a really nice idea. Now, if that was me, I'd want it as soon as I could. Mind you, after having a play with this, it's there we go, we are in. It's yeah, a great little lock. When I say little, it's absolutely huge. Awesome fun, and yeah, the next tricky thing is literally trying to get your pick out, which we'll get there. Anyway, I'll do it off camera. But yeah, I just wanted this to be the proof that I managed to get this little baby open. So yeah, cheers for watching this quick vid. I'll leave a link in the description below to Andy's video on this. Cheers for watching. Bye.